So luckily it didn't happen on our yard, but it does happen sometimes that the scaffolding collapses when people are on scaffolding to do the inspection. Or, for example, crew or inspectors get on well if they go inside a tank with a lack of oxygen.
My name is David Knuckle. I'm working for 3DTS as a drone coordinator. Today we are at the yard of Rotterdam Offshore Group. They are a ship repair yard where a lot of vessels come in for immediate repairs and inspections, demobilizations, and we offer them quite a lot the service of drone inspections.
I'm Hanna Raukema. I'm a commercial manager for ROG Ship Repair. 3DTS is a very important partner for us because they are class approved to use the drones for the inspections, and they use the most innovative drones to do both visual inspections as UTM inspections. For a ship repair yard, it's very important to save downtime for our customers.
If a ship calls with an issue, it's very important that we come on board as quick as possible to do the inspection. And when you do the inspection, you know exactly what needs to be done, how many people you need, what spare parts you need, and how we set up the complete repair job. So in shipping, you have different types of inspections. We mostly do the pre-repair inspections. But of course, you also have the class inspections for annuals or special surveys, or after mobilization inspections, vetting inspections. So you have all types of inspections where you can use the drones for. This can be container vessels, tanker vessels, cruise vessels, all types of vessels calling Rotterdam, even fishery and offshore.
The biggest benefit of using the drones is the time. So we save a lot of downtime for our customers if we use drones for inspections.
So if you don't use the drones, or before the drones, we could reach some parts by using scaffolding or rope access. But this will, of course, take much more time and more people than using the drone and one pilot. Before, if you wanted to enter the ballast tank, you had the tank entry procedures, which made it more difficult because in some cases you need to ventilate the ballast tanks for a long time until you can go in the tanks to do an inspection. But with the drones, you can skip these procedures completely. This saves a lot of time, therefore it's very helpful. The inspection is more efficient if we use the drones of the 3DTS.